kaya niya pala. Galing talaga ni...
Okay, commercial like tea, magbubukas ang plato, pero ang kanyang reward ay 60 pesos. Ang baba naman. 80 ba? Ay, 60! Nahulog. Ay, 80 po. I want it, I belong to you. Still the one I want for life. Still the one that I love. The only one I dream of. Still the one I kiss goodnight. So glad we made it
Kandila.